How to use market research to grow your business or brand. What is market research? Market research involves gathering information about your business opportunities, understanding your audience, and identifying trends in your industry. It provides valuable insights that inform your decisions and strategies. Why is market research important? Here are some key benefits of conducting market research. Understand customer motivations and pain points. Knowing what motivates your customers is essential. Their preferences change over time, so staying informed helps you adapt and meet their needs. Position your brand. In a competitive marketplace, positioning your brand is crucial. Market research helps you find opportunities to differentiate yourself from competitors by emphasizing unique features or a lower price point. Stay informed about industry trends. The marketing landscape evolves rapidly. By monitoring trends, you can tailor your tactics to reach your target audience effectively. Types of market research. There are several ways to conduct market research. Surveys and questionnaires gather feedback directly from your audience. Competitor analysis. Understand what your competitors are doing. Focus groups. Engage with a small group of potential customers. Online research. Search for your product or service online to identify competitors. Steps for conducting market research. Define your goals. Set measurable objectives for your research. Identify your audience. You need to understand the type of people interested in your brand. Choose research methods. Select the most suitable methods, like surveys, interviews, and so on. Analyze data. Interpret the collected data to gain insights. Apply findings. Use the information to refine your strategies and improve your brand. Remember, market research isn't a one-time task. Regularly updating your knowledge ensures your brand stays relevant and competitive.